Now we're getting ready to make our stir-fried collard greens. And we're going to begin by browning a smoky, thick cut bacon. And what that's going to do is saute our vegetables in it, and we are going to season our greens with it. We're going to just let that cook. Okay. We'll put them in a large pot and put some sort of ham hocks or some sort of pork or smoked turkey and let them stew all day. Well, this is a twist on that. Because as I said, we didn't have time to watch the greens all day. Here are candied sweet potatoes today because of time. But also, Brad helped me with that too. With the slicing of the sweet potatoes and watching them while I had to run out for a while today. So it's good too. What makes cooking really fun is when you have somebody in the kitchen with you that also enjoys the process. So that's kind of how we bond and relax. We'll put on some music, relax, and cook. So that bacon is really starting to cook now. So we want it nice and brown and crispy. This is 1/3 of a cup of garlic, which is about 6 large garlic cloves. We're going to sprinkle in a little kosher salt and continue to stir. Just about ready. Now you need to use fresh garlic, not processed garlic. You're not going to get that rich flavor. And that's just a preference of mine. I never use garlic powder. I really just don't like the flavor. Smell that. The onions are looking good. The garlic is nice and tender. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just start putting these have already been de-stemmed and washed and everything. These are just glory greens. They're fresh greens that you can get in a bag. And for the sake of time, for today, they are perfect. But you still need to go and wash them, and they have a lot of big stems in them. You need to remove the stems. So we are just going to start to just toss. Just fold it over like that. Try to get some of those vegetables on top. And it's going to reduce quite a bit. Basically, this is just for the two of us, so it's going to work fine. So what I'm going to do, that's cooking really well, I'm going to put the top on and just let that cook. Well, these are not, as you can see, they are not typical stewed cook all day collard greens. We wanted collard greens to celebrate Black History Month, so I decided to fry them. Now what we have in it is a large onion that has been coarsely chopped and 6 cloves of fresh minced garlic. And we used the fat that was rendered from the smoky thick bacon. So we're going to cook just for a little bit longer, and then we'll come back and put the bacon on top. So what I'm going to do is that thick bacon, we're going to just tear it up on top like that. These are going to be so good. All those fresh ingredients. And when you get a really nice quality bacon that renders a lot of flavor. Okay. And those are our collard greens.